Alright, slope of a line. So the slope we're after here is the slope of this line right here. I just roughly drew in by hand the line that is created by this functional relationship between those two variables. And the question is, what's the slope of that line? And so if you remember slope, it's defined to be the difference of output values over the difference of input values. So it is really, the essence, defined to be the same as the average rate of change. And so it doesn't matter which pair of points you use. You can use those pair, you can use that pair, you can use the first and the third pair to find the slope. The slope's going to be the same anywhere. Let's just use this last pair. And so here's what we'd have is, here's how the slope's defined. So for us, it's the change in price over the change in the number of days. And so there's delta notation. It's just the telling us you're going to use the final price minus the initial, final day minus the initial day. And so what I chose to do is use, oh, that's not it. This is it. I chose these guys. So the last two data points here. So you're going to subtract this minus this over this minus this, which we already did really. And so you have that calculation to perform, and if you do that, you are going to get this value right here. So lo and behold, that's what was in our problem, decreasing that amount every day. And so hopefully it's no wonder that is our slope of our line. So there's our slope. Okay, let's go on to the next one. We're going to talk about that. Let's go find the vertical intercept. So what is the vertical intercept of the graph? Meaning, where does this line, if I were to extend it out, where does it hit our vertical axis? So I'm going to do that really roughly. What is that point? Remember, the location for where this graph crosses that axis. And the location is an ordered pair. So we're looking for an ordered pair. So see if you can't come up with something using the slope idea, and check with me in the next video.